Like operator. Like operator is used to search a value similar to a specific pattern in a column using wildcard operators. These two wildcard operators, percentage sign and underscore sign, is used with like operator. Percentage represents 0, 1 or multiple characters, whereas underscore represents a single number or a character. So with the help of these wildcards, you design a wildcard expression and search that pattern in any column with the help of like operator. Example of patterns: string beginning with A. So if I have to write a pattern using wildcard to search a string starting with A and after that it has 0, 1 or more characters, then how do I write? I write within single quote a%. String ending with A. So percentage then A within single quote. Suppose if I want second character in the string is E and in the starting position I want a character or a number, and after that I want 0 or more character. That is, what I want is at first position any character or number, but what will be the amount? What will only single character. And at second position I want E. So any number or character, and after that E, and after E any string, any number of characters, 0, 1 or multiple. Then how do I write percentage for single character or number, then E and then percent. String beginning and ending with A. So for this the wildcard pattern will be A%. Suppose if I want 4 characters string and in which it should be ending with A, then how do I write? I want 4 and at fourth position I want A. So I want in the beginning I want 3 character or number, then we write 3 underscore and after that A. So these are the wildcard patterns that are used with like operators to design a query. So let us consider some example. This is the student table with admission number, name, class, section and fee as columns. So what we want to do here, display the names that start with letter A. I want the query in which I want to display the names from this column. This is the name column, and I want the name that are starting with capital A. So how do I write? Select ADNO from student, which is the table name, where name like, and then there is a space, and within double quotes or single quote, it doesn't matter, you write A and then percent. Recall that percent is used for 0, 1 or more character, and it is starting with capital A. So what do we get? We will get the roll number or admission number of all those names which are starting with A. So the output will be 111, that is Anu, and 444, that is Ajit. So this is the output. Similarly, display names whose name's second letter is O. Now here the second letter is, this is a requirement that the second letter in the query or in the result is O, and we want to display those names. So how do we write the query? Select name from students, where name, like, and this is the pattern of wildcard that we will write, that it is starting with underscore, then the letter. In second place we want O, and after that percent sign, which signifies 0, 1 or more character in the string. So the output you will get is Mohit Sharma and Rohan Sharma from this table. Okay. In operator. The in operator allows us to specify multiple values in a where clause that are separated by comma. For example, select name from EMP, where city in, and then LKO comma Delhi. So I want the name of those employees that resides in city LKO and Delhi. So the output from this table will be Arun, LKO, Amit is residing in Delhi, then Meeta residing in LKO, and Deepa residing in LKO. So the result is this. Okay, this query can be written by using logical operator, and you can write select name from EMP, where city equals to LKO or city equals to Delhi. But it is more easier to write in this form. Exactly, there can be multiple values in the column. So whatever records you want, whatever record having city or condition you want, you can write precisely here. Okay, so this is the in operator. So here we want to display the admission number, that is ADNO, of all those students where section is A or section is B. So we want to display all the admission number of section A and section B. So how do we write the query? Select ADNO comma name from student, where section in A, B. So this will be the result. You will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tuples as a result. Now we'll discuss between operator. Between operator is used to give range while writing the SQL query. One thing we should notice regarding between operator, that is between operator is inclusive in nature. Okay, I'm repeating this again. Between operator is inclusive in nature. What does it mean? If you are giving range and two values, it will include both the upper and lower limit in the result. For example, suppose if I write select name from student, where roll number between 5 and 10. So it will display all those roll number which are greater than equals to 5 and less than equals to 10. Okay, so in the result 5, 8 and 10, because of the inclusive nature of between operator, it will be displayed. Okay, so that is why it is written that it is used to check whether or not a value of a given column lies between the two given values, including upper and lower limit. Now display student information who are paying fees between 2500 and 3500. So how we can write this query? Select ADNO comma name from student where fees between and one space is there 2500 and 3500. So it will display the result and you can see easily that these values 2500 and 3500 are inclusive. Okay, you can easily check the result that 111 Anujan is giving fee 2500 and it is included in the result. Similarly, other records, there is no other student having fee 3500. It is there are students having fee 3000 or 3000. Okay, so if any fee of 3500, if it would be there, then it will be in displayed in the result. Okay, now we'll discuss order by clause. And order by clause, sometimes you want to display your data in ascending or descending order after doing the query. So in order to display data in ascending and descending order, you use order by clause. So how do you write? Select asterisk from student, order by fee. So here what I want is to display the result of the student order by fee in ascending order. As ASC is by default. Okay, if you don't write ASC, then it will automatically sort the record or tuples in ascending order on the basis of fees. So here is the result. This is the table, and we can have another example also. If I want the student to be displayed by fee but in descending order, then this result can be shown.